Welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, today I'm preparing some steamed fish and okra. Very delicious, guys, and also easy to make. To my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming on board, welcome. And here I'm just giving a run through of all my ingredients. Here I have some snapper fish already cleaned and washed. We also have okra, carrot, potato, scallion, hot pepper, pumpkin, bell pepper, garlic, onion, fish noodle. And here I'm just making some slice in my fish so the season can go straight through. And I'll see you guys further on in the video.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never changed.
Okay guys, moving on for the noodle, we're just going to sieve off the season as I did here. And I'm going to add my other seasoning to that, and all the ingredients used will be in the description box below. And we're just going to use a part of this to season our fish, and the remaining part we'll leave for when we're cooking our fish. So just keep on watching, guys. If you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And for those coming on board for the first time, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Put your notification bell on so you won't miss another upload. So here I'm just going to season my fish. And I'll make sure to let the season go in all the slits in the head. And we put those aside and we prep the rest of it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. guess you feel.
2 tablespoons of butter in my pot. Please guys, use a big pot, don't do as I do. As you see, I have to change my pot just now. Yes, because it was too small. Okay, I'm going to saute my onion, garlic, tomato, and I'm using dry thyme because I don't have fresh thyme. Fresh thyme will be best. Yes. So I'm just going to allow this to saute for at least 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of water, depending on the amount of veggies and the fish that you're using. My fish, they're on the bigger side, so I'm using 2 cups. And I'm just going to allow that to come to a boil. Then I'm going to add my pumpkin, carrot, and potatoes and allow those to partially cooked. That will take maybe like 5 minutes, and I'm going to add my remaining seasoning.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Put my fish. Yes, and early on in the video you see me had my scallion. Yes, so now we're just going to add the fish. Okay, just put the veggies and stuff on top of that fish that's already there, just to make space. And we add the other fish. After doing that, you're going to add the bell peppers and the remaining seasoning that you had there, fresh seasoning. Adjust the taste, and don't forget your okra, guys. Yes, you're going to put your okra at this stage. If you see that you need a little more liquid, you do so, but please, if you have warm water, that would be best to pour over them now. Yes, a tip right there. So here I'm adding my lovely toppings. Yes guys, all fresh. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, this is a complete meal, guys. This is a complete meal by itself. And if you're going to use crackers, just allow these to steam for 10 minutes. Then you add your crackers and just allow them to soften a little. The aroma, wow. So I'm just testing to see if everything is perfect. And I'm just going to allow my okras just to soften a little more. And as I said, guys, this is a complete meal. Here I've served it with a small amount of white rice, my corn, and my boiled sweet plantain. Yes. And dinner was delicious, guys. So hope you guys enjoy this one. And please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, put your notification bell on. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.